Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and verifying the dryer is dead. Safety first. Once done, remove the lint trap and open the access panel so you can see the start switch and wiring. You'll use a multimeter and basic hand tools to test continuity and voltage. This lets you know whether the button itself or wiring is at fault. Make sure to take a quick photo of connections before disconnecting so you can restore them correctly when finished. You now diagnose. Set your multimeter to continuity and probe the switch terminals while pressing the button to confirm a closure. If the switch passes, move on to wiring. Look for frayed insulation, loose spade connectors, or melted plastic. These cause intermittent starts. Once you identify the faulty component, remove the old switch, transfer connectors exactly as photographed, and install the replacement or repair a wire with proper crimp terminals. Make sure all connections are tight and insulated. You finish by reassembling the access panel and restoring power to run a short test cycle. Once the dryer powers on, make sure the start button engages reliably and the drum turns smoothly while heating as expected. If it works, secure the cover and clean lint before returning the unit to use. If the problem persists, retest voltage at the switch to rule out control board or timer issues. That single troubleshooting tip will point you to a deeper electrical or control failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.